forest bathing, which increases natural killer cell activity that kills both infectious cells and neoplastic cells, increases with 3-day immersion in forest bathing. Listen, you touch, you see, you smell, and you taste. Pleasant, novel environment improves dopamine, which is potentially helpful in anhedonia and mood disorders. That principle is also applicable to clinics where patients feel safe. And every clinic actually should have, if it can, a view of nature. Something green outside or something blue. And or a houseplant in the office that's healthy.
The message I give to my patients is eat mainly from the fridge, less from the cabinet. Choose foods that are more perishable, right? The more perishable, the better. We eat all colors of the rainbow, right? To quote David Huber, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
One thing to think about when you see seasonal fruit grown in season for a local market is, do we underestimate how much seasonal rhythm affect mood? The idea that eating something that's ripe and in season is about sensory engagement. Remember, we learned a sensory reset exercise? That's reward circuitry. That's how the brain knows it's being rewarded.
Continue this message of mindfulness, of mindful eating. 80% full. We pay attention, we slow down, we savor the flavor, we listen to hunger cues, to satiety cues, and importantly, we reclaim joy and connection. Food is about nourishment, it's about celebration, it's about a connection to other people.
Wilderness therapy, just what it sounds like. Immersive programs in remote wilderness. Immersive, you're away, you don't have your device. And who has this been tried for? Adolescents with severe conduct disorders. Adults with severe relapsing addictions. In each of these groups, for some often sustained periods of time, between 4 and 12 weeks, there's a significant impact, not just increasing endorphins and decreasing cortisol, but fostering resilience, enhancing problem-solving skills, and so on.